So I'm out here today and I'm washing Southern Estate, and as I'm washing Southern Estate, I wanted to share with you in this video this particular product right here, because this is an amazing product, and then show you a couple of clips of today of actually what it did. But if you want to get rid of that yellow mustache from the salt water while doing America's Great Loop or just cruising in your boat, this is the chemical, and I show you how to do it, how to apply it, and how to use it. Yellow smile that we get when we're doing America's Great Loop. With over 6,000 miles under my keel, I developed a huge yellow smile around my boat. It's called a yellow smile, and I wanted to get rid of it, so I finally did half of it in Florence, and I just finished it now here at Aqua Marina, and I want to go over it a little bit with you and show you the process and see if there's a link, if they actually sell it on Amazon, and then I'll put the link down there. Alright, so we'll spray some on here and I'll show you exactly what it does. Now, I've had lots of people talk about lots of different products, and this one, I mean, you can just see from the results here. Look at that, it's just coming right off. Now I just take my brush and I just slowly just work it in. You can see over here I've done all that, and it just comes right off, almost effortless. After I get done with the cleaner, then I just take some soap and water and put it on there, and then I rinse it off. Just an amazing product. So in less than 15 minutes, that's what my haul looks like now. Just amazing. So I appreciate you guys watching the video. Thank you so much. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Hey, and leave the comment down below. I'm looking for those comments every single day so that I can share those with on my morning rant. Anyway, thanks guys. I appreciate it. Bye.